Select the face. We're in edit mode, so we're going to extrude to make this a double size of that cube along its y-axis, so E and Y, drag it and return. Now this, the only place we don't have a face, as far as I can see, is where we've just created this thing here, this middle section. So if now what we could do is select the vertices, so go to vertex select this edge, this vertex rather, this vertex, and this vertex. Press F, that's good. Notice that it hasn't created a face based on any of the neighbouring vertices, which is what I wanted and sensible. And now we go back into face select, we should find that we can, it's sometimes hard to make these out, but I think, is that the vertex, is that the selection point for that? Soon find out. Yes, it's that one. So we now have where we didn't have a face before, after doing an extrusion, we now have one.